Hey, Lucas here with FastCap. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with our GluBot, our BabeBot, and our HiBot. These are fantastic glue bottles, or bottles for really anything you want to put in them. And they're bottom feeders, so when you squeeze, it actually pushes the glue up and out the tip, and then when you're done, sucks it back in. That prevents clogging. Also makes it so it's really easy to apply to vertical surfaces. Well, today, I'm going to show you the coolest new accessory I have for these. These are called the GluBot and BabeBot Tiplet. So these are basically designed after the X tip that comes on all of our 10-ounce 2P10 bottles. It's insanely popular, been tested for years, and it works great. It's got a really long flexible tip on it, and since this tip flexes so much, you can reach in all sorts of spots you couldn't otherwise reach. Doesn't ever break on you. You can get inside PVC pipes, down in weird shaped holes, down inside grooves. It's really the most versatile tip ever. And accessories that come with this tip is each tip comes with 2 break-off little mini tips. So if you're using lacquer thinner, acetone, any solvents, you don't want too much getting out, you can cut this down to exactly whatever width you want, really get a really fine line. It's also great if you're using the thin 2P10 to have those little tips, you don't get too much glue oozing out everywhere. And then it also comes with a break-off pin cap. So the pin cap can go on, prevents anything from drying out, or in case of solvents, evaporating, seals it up really well. Also pops that pin into any residual glue left in the tip, as you're, I'm sure, aware, and keeps your glue good for longer. And then the best thing about this tip is that if you do get it clogged up, or you need a different angle on it or anything like that, it's so long you can actually cut this thing up to like 10 times before your tip needs replacing. So these are available on FastCap.com. There's one size that fits the GluBot, the other size fits both the BabeBot and the HiBot. Installation's super easy. You just remove the cap that comes on your GluBot or BabeBot and then screw the tip lid on where it was. It does not actually require the gasket that was in your original cap, but you can throw it in there if you want to try to get a little extra seal, but it seals well enough without it. And if you put some water in there with no gasket, squirt gun! Get yours today. You're absolutely going to love this product. It makes the already fantastic GluBot just that much better.